So I'm going to be going over this metal cabinet with casters, which I'll be showing you here in a second. I'm going to show you a little bit of the assembly process, go over what I like, what I don't like, things I wish I had known before I got it, and everything else. But I'm going to give you kind of a little tour of this. And honestly, so far, I really like it. But yeah, I'm going to flip you around and kind of go over some of the features. So we went with the red and black because my mom lives with us and I let her choose the color and she loves the red. Although I'm really glad she did because everything shows up really nice inside of it. It doesn't kind of get lost in the black because it's not as dark. So the shelves are easy to put in. I love that it has the casters. Now you don't have to put them on, you can leave them off. But we are going to be moving it around our garage quite a bit because we're in the process of reorganizing and adding some shelving and stuff. And 2 of the wheels have locks and 2 don't. So it helps it stay in place. The doors have up here, there's little magnets that help it stay shut. Without it, they will fly open. And there is a key that comes with it, so you can lock it. If you're in a situation where you want to be able to lock it, you can, there are keys that come with it. We would probably not be locking it because we're not storing anything precious inside. So yeah, really pleased with it. But I like the red exterior with the black doors. It comes in different colors. There's plenty of room inside. The shelves are adjustable. So you can choose kind of where you want the shelves, and it comes with 4 shelves. So you can have them as wide or as close as you want, and you don't have to put them all in if you do not want to. But yeah, right here is, you can adjust them. So let me kind of show you what we went through to assemble it. It is a 2-person job for sure. So this is the box the cabinet came in. We're gonna see how hard it is to put together. All right, we got some pieces here, some parts there. Yep, supposedly this is gonna be a cabinet, so stay with us. Slow going for tonight. We will wait till daylight and finish it in the morning. All right, so now we've got it standing upright. We have put the wheels on, which this is probably my favorite feature of this. Now for shelves and doors. Trying to back up here so you can see it in all of its glory. Like I said, it's in the garage, so it's in with all sorts of other junk. So yeah, overall, we are pleased that we got it. We're glad we went with the one with wheels because we wanted to leave it in the garage. We can move it around. We don't have to worry about the bottom getting rusted if something were to get wet underneath. Definitely a 2-person job to put it together. It took a little bit longer than we were expecting. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. You know, the metal is not super thin, not super heavy duty. So it's somewhere in between. We're happy with it. It's going to suit our needs. We wanted something with doors to help prevent dust getting on some of the things that we have on shelves. So yeah, we're pleased with it. We would buy it again. We like the red color. Again, it comes in other colors. That is a personal preference. My mom chose red. I'm glad she did. It adds a little fun. So I hope this helps. The overview helps, answers any questions. Again, we would buy again. Hope it helped.